Welcome to Computer Science at Wembley High Technology College. My name is Miss VS and I'm going to tell you a little bit about how we deliver computer science from Key Stage 3 to Key Stage 4. So what is computer science? Computer science deals with the theory of computation, algorithms, computational problems and the design of computer systems hardware, software and applications. At WHTC, our Key Stage 4 computer science intake has become increasingly popular each year, and it is also a popular subject for our students to take on further at university. Therefore, computer science provides great career opportunities to young people. WHTC has implemented state-of-the-art technology across the school for all year groups. Students are well resourced with excellent teaching and are monitored with regular assessment. Our department consists of qualified specialist computer science teachers who are always continuing to develop their subject knowledge and expertise to develop and deliver an inspiring curriculum. We are very proud of our 2020 results and we celebrate the achievement for our students who have achieved these fantastic results. Computer science at Wembley High Technology College balances fundamental knowledge and practical application in order to provide students with both specialised and transferable skills that are greatly valued in the marketplace. As you can see, the Key Stage 3 computer science curriculum builds on from Key Stage 2 to develop their knowledge, skills and understanding on the following key topics through project or component work. For example, students will therefore have the opportunity to express their creativity when designing and implementing a user interface and producing a design using tools from different applications during the course of the project. So let's have a look at some of the Year 7 activities that we deliver. For example, you'll be dissecting a computer system, you'll be using an online microbit, you'll be creating block-based programming and developing these skills, for example, using Scratch. You'll be pairing a device using a Bluetooth. You'll be encoding and transmitting encrypted data. And you'll be manipulating data using spreadsheet modeling. Moving on to Year 8 activities, students will be solving computational problems using programming constructs. Students will also be creating ASCII art. Students will also be learning how to create websites using HTML. Students will be able to develop their logic and units understanding. Students will also be able to develop a user interface design for a given product. The Key Stage 4 computer science curriculum builds on from Key Stage 3 and it retrieves important Key Stage 4 topics to develop a deeper understanding and assesses pupils' knowledge and understanding on computer systems, computational algorithms and programming. So we focus on the left-hand side. Component 1, this is all about how a computer system functions. So you'll be covering topics like systems architecture, the structure of what makes a computer system work and process our instructions, memory and storage. We're looking at how networks work and how to defend security systems and protect them so they're not vulnerable to attacks. And you'll also be learning about important ethical implications. This component really focuses on computer systems as a whole and how they function. If we take a closer look at component 2, it's more about the programming aspects. So you'll learn things like algorithms, for example, and you'll be able to use a high-level programming language to be able to solve problems. You'll also focus more on the computational thinking skills, and that's what we really want to develop so that you can go out there and start solving problems using logical steps. So as I said, with component 2, programming skills are a fundamental aspect of the course and it's really important skill to learn. So you'll learn things like breaking down problems effectively, solving problems, thinking logically and learning through exploration. You'll also learn some skills like writing certain simple instructions using pseudocode, beginning your programming skills with block-based programming such as Scratch. You'll also learn structured query language that we use to manipulate data from a database, and you'll also use examples of high-level programming language such as Python and C++. although we don't restrict these high-level languages. So if you do know already a language, that's a really good start. Pupils' work is set, created and assessed using a variety of paper-based materials, such as endorsed books, revision guides, student workbook with Cornell notes. Pupils are also set up with online learning platforms with self-assessment facilities where teachers can monitor and mark these and give effective feedback. Currently, we have used GCSE Pods, Code Academy, Seneca, Quizlet, in-house video tutorials to help support students learning outside of the classroom. We also introduced IDEA last year, which has been set up for our Year 7 and 8 students to work towards the Inspiring Digital Enterprise Award, known as IDEA, an international program that helps pupils to develop digital enterprise and employability skills for free. Pupils work through the series of online challenges, they win career-enhancing badges, and unlock new opportunities and ultimately gain industry-recognised awards that help them to stand out from the crowd. Computer science can help you get a career in so many different sectors. Some of the sectors you can go into are robotics, artificial intelligence, computer games designer or developer, a cybersecurity specialist. And if you're creative, you could create online apps, online games, you could create a user interface or even a website. By studying computer science, it will set a necessary skill for any young person in the 21st century. And remember, employers see successful completion of a computer science course as a sign of academic well-roundedness. Finally, I'd like to thank you for watching this presentation and I wish you all the best in your application.